Passion.
Rhythm.
Art.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, Western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, including Northampton, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 5 miles southwest of Chester, or about 18 miles southeast of Pittsfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning area include Worthington, Williamsburg.